Hey everybody, Jake here, taking a look at this Japanese floor mattress slash sleeping pad. When it was suggested in the product description that this be used as a sleeping mat, I was like, no way is that thin little thing going to be comfortable enough to sleep on, but gosham golly gee whiz, I was wrong. The padding in this is super comfortable, and while it might wear thin over time, so far it's a wonderful pad that we use for a variety of family activities. We set this up as a play mat for our 2-year-old. My wife sometimes uses it for yoga and stretching, and yes, I've lugged it out into the living room to nap on. This is the queen size, but it also comes in full and twin. The cotton fabric topper is really soft, and it's built around 2 layers of polyester padding, one on top, one on the bottom, and a foam base sandwiched in the middle. You can take this on a picnic, throw it in the bed of the truck, take it camping. It's very well made, it's versatile. It had a funky sort of factory smell when we got it, but it was gone within a day. Just FYI, if you're ordering this for guests or to take on a trip, get it in advance so you can air it out for about 24 hours or so. We're super happy with this product and no complaints. It's pretty much as advertised.